What is going on, guys? It's Mike here. A little different type of video today. I'm going to. I've been looking and looking and looking for quite a while now on how to uh, reset your career in Wreckfest. Obviously, this is on PC. And I finally figured out how to do it. And I figured there's really no videos or anything on how to do it. So I figured I'd do a uh, quick little tutorial here on how to do it. So what you're going to want to do is open your uh, browser or your file browser, and you're going to want to go to where Wreckfest is installed. And for my case, it's in the C drive. It's under Program Files x86. You're going to scroll down until you find your Steam folder, and then you're going to go down to where it says User Data. Then you're going to click this 144 blah blah blah. Your number may be different, mine's not. And then the game folder will be 228380. You're going to double click that. Go to your local, and you'll see Wreckfest right there. I'm going to double click into that. And what you're going to want to do to reset this is you're going to want to delete your backup folder here. And you're also going to want to delete your career mode, your career file. It's a CRES file. You're going to want to delete that as well. That will reset your career. You can reset your cars if you want. I choose not to. I like to keep my cars. So I'm going to keep my cars there. And then you're going to want to go into your Steam folder, go to your library, and scroll down to Wreckfest. You're going to want to click this little gear icon right here. And you're going to want to go to priorities. You're going to go to properties. My bad. And under general right here, there's this little box right here that says keep game saves in the cloud. You want to make sure that's unchecked. And then once you start Wreckfest, bear with me here just a second as the game starts to load. This game does take a second to load. It's not a real quick loading game. You'll go into your career here. Oops, not too far. And you can see that everything has been reset career-wise. So just a little quick tutorial. I said I haven't seen many videos on this, and I wanted to make one. So hope it helped you all out, and I will see you guys in the next video.